Today we are discussing addition polymers. Addition polymers are called homopolymers also because the repeating unit is same in addition polymers. So one of the important class of such polymers is vinyl polymers. Let us discuss the monomers and polymers one by one and their respective applications. So one of the important polymers we discussed previously is LDPE, low density polyethylene. Now in this monomer is of course ethene. Large number of ethene molecules join. Under the conditions you require a very high atmospheric pressure, that is 1000 to 2000 atmospheres, temperature 350 to 370 Kelvin. This is a rather free radical polymerization. You need a free radical initiator also. So what happens in this reaction is this pi bond will break. Now when the pi bond breaks, we can write the structure as CH2 CH2. Now these two complete the four bonds. This molecule will join with large number of other molecules forming a polymer that is called low density polyethylene. As discussed before, with the advent of Ziegler-Natta catalyst, we had a new category of polymer that is called HDPE, high density polyethylene. In this monomer is same ethene, but we change the conditions that it is done in the presence of Ziegler-Natta catalyst. The Ziegler-Natta catalyst is triethyl aluminium and titanium tetrachloride. Reaction take place at a temperature of 350 Kelvin and you require a low atmospheric pressure as compared to the synthesis of low density polyethylene. And again it is represented by this HDPE ਤੇ LDPE ਦਾ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ ਸਿਰਫ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ HDPE ਹੈ ਇਹਦੀ ਡੈਂਸਿਟੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੈ, it is hard, whereas low density polyethylene has low density, low molecular weight, and it is not as that hard. Then next important polymer in this vinyl polymer category is polypropylene. One of the top three plastics used in the world today. In polypropylene, the monomer unit is propene, of course, CH2 double bond CH, CH3. Why we call these as vinyl polymers? Now if we can highlight this, look at this. This part is the vinyl part, and when large number of molecules polymerize in the presence of course again Ziegler-Natta catalyst, that was the potential application, and we get a polymer. You break the pi bond and we have a long chain extended on both sides. So this is called polypropylene. The starting monomer is propene. Next we come to another widely used polymer is polystyrene. So in polystyrene it is also a vinyl polymer. So at this position we have a phenyl group. Large number of styrene molecules, now this is known as monomer unit is styrene in this case. It will polymerize under the conditions, that is free radical polymerization, so we call in the presence of peroxides. After polymerization, break this pi bond and we get a polymer that is called polystyrene. Next important polymer is abbreviated as PVC, also known as polyvinyl chloride. Now in polyvinyl chloride, the monomer is vinyl chloride. It is also a free radical polymerization which takes place in the presence of persulfates. The pi bond will break and we get a polymer that is called PVC. Next is Teflon, which finds its very high application. Teflon is known as polytetrafluoroethylene. So it is just that in the monomer ethene, all the hydrogens are replaced with fluorine. ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਦੀ polymerization ਹੋਏਗੀ ਅਸੀਂ sigma bond break ਕਰ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ, pi bond break ਕਰ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ, sigma bond remains intact and these polymerize CF2 CF2. So this is Teflon. The polymerization again takes place in the presence of persulfates. Next important polymer is polymethyl methacrylate. It is abbreviated as PMMA. So you write its name as polymethyl methacrylate. Now we will understand what is the monomer unit, how it is named. If you look at the structure, this is a vinyl polymer and on the side we have COOH. This compound is called acrylic acid. Now if we make an ester out of this, how you are going to make an ester? CH2 double bond CH COOCH3. This becomes an ester. So this is named as methyl acrylate. Acrylic acid. From acrylic acid we call it acrylate when it becomes an ester. So this is methyl acrylate. Now if you replace this hydrogen with methyl, let us draw structure what will be formed. CH2 double bond C, here you have CH3 and COOCH3. So this molecule is known as methyl methacrylate. Again, in the presence of peroxides, a pi bond is going to break. As discussed before, we break one of these pi bonds and you will be left behind with only sigma bond. So the structure will be CH2 single bond C, COO, CH3, CH3, and this. So this polymer is known as PMMA, polymethyl methacrylate. Methyl polymer. Now if we look at its structure, look, CH2 double bond CH, nitrile means there is a cyano group. So when you polymerize, polymerization takes place in the presence of peroxides. Large number of these acrylonitrile molecules will combine to form a polyacrylonitrile. So complete the tetravalency on both sides, make a polymer. So this is called PAN or polyacrylonitrile. So you can call it as, this monomer is acrylonitrile. Another derivative of vinyl polymers is now remember we discussed acrylic acid. Now in acrylic acid SOCOOH. Now in this case it is also an ester, but instead of H it is ethyl. So the name of this substance is ethyl acrylate. And when you polymerize it, polymerization takes place in the presence of peroxides. As we did before, break the pi bond and we can show it like this, COOET. So completing the 4 bonds. So this is polyethyl acrylate. Last we are going to discuss the polymer called PVA, or it is abbreviation of polyvinyl acetate. Monomer in this case is vinyl acetate. Now what will be vinyl acetate? If we look at the structure, first we write acetic acid. Acetic acid is CH3 C double bond O OH. If we convert into an ester, CH3 C double bond O OCH double bond CH2. So this conversion gives us the substance which is known as vinyl acetate. So just to remember what is the structure of vinyl acetate. Now when we polymerize this, we can write it as, this is again a vinyl polymer, CH2 double bond CH and OC double bond O CH3. We write it like this. N moles will combine in the presence of peroxides to give a polymer CH2 CH OCO CH3. So this is known as PVA or polyvinyl acetate.